Garmin's upcoming Fenix 8 Pro is generating significant buzz in the smartwatch world. Renowned for their high-performance sports watches, Garmin is once again set to push boundaries with this latest model. The Fenix 8 Pro is expected to feature a range of exciting new advancements, including enhanced tracking capabilities and advanced display technology. One of the most talked about features is its rumored micro-LED display. This would represent a major leap forward for sports watches, as micro-LED technology is known for its superior brightness, better energy efficiency, and enhanced display quality compared to traditional screens. If these rumors prove true, the Fenix 8 Pro could become the first sports watch to utilize micro-LED technology, potentially setting a new industry standard. However, with these innovations comes a potential increase in price. The inclusion of advanced micro-LED technology may lead to a higher price tag, and Garmin will need to find a balance between pushing technological boundaries and maintaining accessibility for its core users. The key question is whether the new features will justify a premium price. As Garmin prepares to launch the Fenix 8 Pro, it faces growing competition in the smartwatch market from brands like Apple, Samsung, and Suunto, all of which are continuously updating their models to offer users more options. What sets Garmin apart is its focus on sports tracking and durability. While competitors may emphasize smart features, Garmin has carved a niche by catering to serious athletes and outdoor enthusiasts. The Fenix 8 Pro is expected to build on Garmin's legacy of accurate sports tracking, likely featuring new sports modes and improved durability for extreme conditions, making it a reliable tool for those who push their limits. For athletes, precision in tracking performance is crucial, and the Fenix 8 Pro aims to deliver just that. Beyond athletes, the Fenix 8 Pro is rumored to include advanced health monitoring features, such as sleep tracking, heart rate monitoring, and blood oxygen level monitoring. These tools will help users monitor their health throughout the day, making the watch an excellent choice for health-conscious individuals seeking to balance fitness and overall well-being. Another exciting aspect of the Fenix 8 Pro is the anticipated software upgrades. Garmin is reportedly introducing AI-based fitness tracking, offering personalized insights and suggestions based on user activity. Coupled with improved GPS accuracy, the Fenix 8 Pro will provide even more precise location tracking, essential for outdoor enthusiasts and athletes who rely on their watches during activities like hiking, running, or cycling. With the introduction of the micro-LED display, the Fenix 8 Pro is also expected to see a substantial increase in battery life. The energy-efficient nature of this new display technology should allow the watch to last even longer between charges, which is a game-changer for those engaged in long-distance activities like marathons or multi-day hikes. In summary, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is shaping up to be an exciting addition to the smartwatch market, boasting features like a micro-LED display, enhanced sports tracking, advanced health monitoring, and longer battery life. It's sure to attract attention from both athletes and tech enthusiasts,